Welcome back, traders. Trading the US dollar Canadian. All right, I'm not currently in. Actually, you know what? I am. I gotta close it out. I am currently in US dollar Canadian. Well, we got a green dot. It may go up. I don't know. Doesn't look like it's going up a lot, but I'm gonna be probably looking here this at 3:20 a.m. for a possible buy on the dollar Canadian. So we shall see as another push down what happens when I get to this point. All right, that's one trade I'm looking at on my radar. So with the Flux Power Zone and the Trend Stalker and the bigger histogram, you take a lot less trades, and all you have to do is basically wait for them. You know, you're not constantly in and out the market. So this is what my next trade was. I had a beautiful trade again on the Great British Pound JPY. Awesome entry. And I wound up catching 100 and almost 200 pips. Oh, excuse me. Let's see. JPY right here. Right now it's in consolidation. You can see right here it's consolidation. It's coming in. And this is actually my entry here, 5606. But it was way, way back here. Right here at 3:30 a.m. London time. Right here, I was stalking this position. You know, again, same thing, and took it up for a buy, and just closed it out a couple hours ago. Like up in this area. Where are we currently at? No, I think up in here somewhere. I'd have to look on my closed positions. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at for the Canadian dollar. I'm not currently in any trades at the moment, but I'm going to look into the future to where I'm going to be looking for trades and looking to trade in the direction that I want to go into. All right, so let me look into the future here. See how far we can go. This one only goes back, goes forward maybe like a day. Now the power zone goes back a week. Forward a week. All right, so we got some really good action coming up here. Some real good trading opportunities to look for. There's one there. I already marked that off. We got one here, 6-5. Anything on my computer is an hour off. All right, we got good action here at 5:50 a.m. Let's mark another marker off. And then we got 7:15 on a buy. Here, 7:15 on a buy, and then we have another buy. So maybe I'll take the second buy and leave the first. Because typically, if they're really close together, you want to take the second signal. So I'll just wait. I'll wait an hour. Oops. Let me just delete that. Yeah, I'll just wait an hour and take this signal here, because this signal might be better. Because this signal, it may go up, but then it's just going to come right back down here. It's almost like a double bottom. And then, you know, go to the north here. You're going to have a dip here. It's a low bar. And then another one here, and then back up to 1025 looking for a sell. Possibly to get out of the trade. I'm also going to analyze the power zone too, but looks like some really good action tomorrow for Wednesday. Surprising. Well, that's on the dollar Canadian. So this is all in the future. Okay, this is all in the future. So there's no candles here. There's, like any other indicator, your indicators and stuff stop right here. So you don't actually know what is going to possibly happen in the future here. But with this software, you can get some pretty precise entries, and not only precise entries, but incredibly, incredibly tight stop losses. And that's the key, to keep those stop losses as tight. Because if it goes, the other way, you don't want to be in the trade. All right, traders. So I will update you on these positions when I do take them. All right, stay profitable. I'm out.
Welcome back, traders. Trading the US dollar Canadian. Okay, did the video before. We're going to scroll all the way to the right. Now, remember, there were no candles in this area, only the histogram times. Now, you tell me what's going on. And I'm going to show you these signals, and I've taken some of these trades, and they were phenomenal. Okay, so now we're going to scroll. Remember, you're going to see the other part of the video where there were no, it was totally blank. Okay, we got a 9. My computer's off by 1 hour, 8:30 p.m. signal on the CAD. Boom. This is 8:30 signal on the CAD. Now this one was a loser. This one won. You want to exit if, depending on the trend. You get the trend still going good. Yeah, but we're taking all the signals. We're 1 for 1 on this trade. A small stop loss only goes beyond here. Let's show you how small the stop loss is. I think I have that in my trading journal. Hold on, traders. Here's the opening, the close of the candle with the red dot here. Entries here. Stop loss goes here. Stop loss was 37. 12 pip stop. Okay, it was a 12 pip stop. Then normally around on the Canadian dollar between 12 and you rarely get a 20 pip stop on this. Very rare. Okay, so continue on scrolling. Remember, this was all blank before. We got a minor ace. Now we got another. We got a signal here. This is a 2:30 a.m. signal. 2:30 a.m. Stop goes above the time cycle marker. And what happens? Boom. Now we get a sell signal, but you already know that a sell cycle is coming up because it's already here. You already know a sell cycle is coming up, so you can exit a trade or continue to hold. But now we got a sell here. Sell signal. Stop goes above the time cycle marker here when the red dot appears. Doesn't even come close to the stop. Boom. Another successful trade. Now we got a green cycle marker. And we do the same thing. Boom. And you saw in my video that I was going to take these trades. This is another winning trade. Now we got another green cycle marker. And what happens? CAD goes up. This was all blank yesterday. Okay, now, boom, we got a sell signal right here at 10:25. It says 11:25. It's really 10:25. And we're going to come up to the current market now. Boom, down, another winner. Now count those winners that you see here. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, there's 5, there's 6. 1 losing trade. And it was a 12 pip stop loss. Now you tell me that this doesn't work. And it makes trading so easy. All you have to do is wait, and the stop losses are minimal. And if we go to the Great British Pound JPY, forget it. It's just unbelievable. 273 pip run on that pair with a 24 pip stop. Let me go over to the I'm just gonna scroll over to the Pound JPY right here. 5:20 a.m. right here, 5:20 a.m. 24 pip stop. Ran all the way up here. Let's see. Let's just cycle mark here. 275 pips with a 24 pip stop. It's just unbelievable. Welcome back, traders. That's pretty much the end of the video. And here was that last signal at this time here. It actually went down a lot further. It went down to here. Excuse me. And then there's the FOMC reversal right here, and pretty much reversal position called a buy trade here, and it took off. But you can see how these signals work. I've traded them, and they are very profitable. Very easy trading, and in the sense of you can plan your trades before they even happen. All right, traders, and it also these are bank trading times when the banks and institutions trade push the market, and it works really well on, like I said, the U.S. dollar Canadian, the pound JPY, the Australian US dollar. There's a couple other, there's more pairs. The other pairs work as well. You just got to do some modification, do your more analysis and stuff on them. But they work really well. Now look, this is the current time. It's all buy cycle markers here, 4 in a row, and then 4 on the A stochastic. Wow, that's pretty amazing. So we'll see what we'll be taking in the future. That's trades that's coming up. All I got to do is scroll, look in the power zone, and get all my entries for tonight and tomorrow. All right, traders. So there's some insight on this flux power zone with the trend stalker and the power zone. The bigger histogram, which you could look into the future 7 days in advance to set up your trades that you want to look at. I don't take all of them, on the big histogram, but on this one, you want to take them, in your in the active zone and stuff like that. Okay, see, like this cycle right here, and then you got the reversal with the arrow going up here. But they definitely, these trades work out. I mean, I just some huge pips on the Great British Pound JPY. And I also traded 2 today. I only traded the Great British Pound New Zealand dollar, the Great British Pound JPY, the US dollar Canadian. I don't think I took any Aussie trades today because it was, it was a little unclear. So I didn't take any of those trades today. But yeah, just only a few trades with the Canadian, the JPY, and the Pound New Zealand and the Euro New Zealand. And that's it. And I scored a ton of pips today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get set up for later on tonight, take a few trades. But I think, unless I got some really awesome signals, I'm done for the week. Had an awesome week. Sometimes it's best to quit while you're ahead, but this is my best trading night coming up Wednesday into Thursday. Okay, so, but probably won't trade Friday. I'm done. I had a great week, and trying to stay profitable, and just it's just amazing. All right, traders. So need any information or any help trading or anything sort, I try to help as many people as possible. So let me know. Send me an email, and I'll try to help you. All right, I'm out. Stay profitable.